Hello students, welcome to video class. It's Math First for class 10. In Math First, we are solving word problems based on linear equations in two variables. At present, we are solving questions given in exercise 3.5. Today, I will solve a question from this exercise. Say question number 30. Well, question tells that a train takes 2 hours less to complete a journey of 300 km if its speed is increased by 5 km per hour. Then find the usual speed of the train. Let's do it. We take variable x for the usual speed of the train. Let x kilometer per hour be the usual speed of the train. And the distance to be traveled is 300 km. So time taken, your distance is 300 km. So the time taken will be distance upon speed, that is 300 upon x hours. Next, we use the condition given in the question. The question asks that the speed increases by 5 km per hour. Means now the speed is x plus 5 km per hour. Then what will be the time taken? Time taken will be distance 300 upon speed x plus 5. It is 2 hours less than the time taken by usual speed. The time taken by usual speed is 300 upon x. We subtract 2 from it. Thus got our equation 300 upon x plus 5 is equal to 300 upon x minus 2. We simplify this equation, and after simplification we get a quadratic equation, not a linear equation but a quadratic equation. It is x square plus 5x minus 750 is equal to 0. The equation has only one variable and the degree of equation is 2, means it's a quadratic equation. Well, a quadratic equation can be solved by factorization method. So we will solve this equation by factorization method. Some other methods are also there, completing a square method, right? And solving quadratic equation using quadratic equation formula. You will read in detail in quadratic equation chapter. Here we will solve this equation by factorization method. Okay. By midterm splitting factor, we factorize the equation x square plus 5x minus 750 is equal to 0. Factorize the polynomial. By midterm splitting, we get x square plus 30x minus 25x minus 750 equal to 0. In next step, we get x plus 3, x common from first term, 25 common from next term. In next step, we get 2 factor x plus 3 and x minus 25. Now either of these two linear factors can be 0. Hence either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Thus we get two cases. In first case x plus 3 is equal to 0. From here we are getting x equal to minus 30. But x here denotes the speed of the train. The speed of a train, a speed can't be negative. That's why we neglect this fact. In second case we get x minus 25 is equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 25. Thus the usual speed of the train is 25 km per hour. Right? Other questions in this exercise, all other questions, are based on a system of a pair of linear equations in two variables. But this question can be solved taking only one variable. And here we got a quadratic equation, not a linear equation like other questions. Right? Though the exercise contains word problems based on system of linear equation, system of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Our question is, this question is given in the exercise. This question given in the exercise is based on quadratic equation, right? Don't confuse yourself. Question number 30 you will solve taking single variable. Don't take two variables, as it is different. This question is related to quadratic equation, so I have solved. Other questions in the exercise you can solve yourself. You have solved many questions based on linear equations, simultaneous linear equations in two variables. That's all. Thank you.